Hello and what's up? For this video we are going to unbox and test this insulated mug. You have color choices: black, white, blue, green, but I ordered black, so let's check this out. Inside the box is just a mug. It is made of plastic to prevent heat, while inside is the stainless steel. As you can see guys, it's a simple design, yet classy. So as instructions says, you cannot put this on microwave nor wash on dishwashing machine. It's a screw-type lock with rubber lid to avoid spill, so it's up 500 milliliters water capacity only. As you can see, it's easy to wash design. So the lid has the digital temperature reading, powered by button cell battery. So you cannot wash the area where the digital reading temperature is located, because it is not waterproof. So let's try hot water. Let's see how long the hot temperature will last. As the instruction says, it will hold up to 3 hours. So as sensor reading still is in normal temperature, as the color reading is green. So this is portable, but for me this is best and suitable for office works. Now almost 30 minutes, now the reading is very hot. As you see, it turned to red as color temperature appears. As of now, it's 2 hours past the temperature reading decreases, but still hot. Bravo! As promised, 3 hours already, the temperature reading is 44%, which is not bad. So I let stay till 11 hours, and the water temperature is back to normal. So in case you need to change the battery, this is how I figured out. I use this small negative screwdriver. Keep on opening the sides till it pop up. But the problem is, I made a damage between both sides. Let it slide till be battery separate. So this is button cell. If you will ask me, for me, this reading temperature is useless, unless if it has reheating function, so it will be useful. So be careful in changing the battery, as the device is very fragile. As you can see, there's a wire, and the tip of the wire serves as sensor. In the lid, you will notice a small hole. That tip must be inserted that hole when returning to that position. So that's it, guys. This is my insulated mug unboxing and test video. If it happens you see the subscribe button, please do subscribe and like as well. Thanks for watching.